Pigmentation. It's a real problem for a lot of people. Patients have been asking about it in clinic. The sun's come out, UV damage is occurring directly on the skin. Pigmentation that wasn't there before is now suddenly florid and it's coming out. And patients are asking, like, what can I do to help reduce this pigmentation? So today's talk, there is a slide in the background obviously. Today's talk is about how to protect, prevent and correct for pigmentation, and I'm using a great slide that was produced by Skin Master Plus Pro, who I'm a member of, and you can see here there is a list of key ingredients. Okay, so firstly, what happens? What is happening in the summer with the hot weather, the sun shining? UV rays are damaging skin, which then causes an upregulation of melanin. Melanin is a pigment in our skin that helps prevent damage to the DNA in cells, simply put. So, what do a lot of these skincare ingredients, what are they targeting? They're targeting an enzyme that's in our skin, and what that tyrosinase enzyme does is it upregulates the production of melanin. So if we can target that enzyme, we can downregulate the production of melanin. Now, one of the questions that sometimes people ask is, well, hang on, if you're downregulating this enzyme, surely then you're making your skin more susceptible to sun damage. Yes, that's exactly right. But what I recommend you do is we have a methodology where we protect, we prevent, and correct. So in order to protect, you always use sunscreen, so at least factor 50 if you're in a hot and sunny climate, whether it's the summer or whether you're anywhere in the world. So that's our protect element. Make sure that you're reapplying sunscreen so that that UV light has less effect directly on the skin. The prevent methodology is to use some of these key ingredients to downregulate the enzyme that produces or helps produce melanin or pigment. And then obviously we're talking about finding skincare products that include this. So we will talk about this a bit more. It's all part of this ongoing development process. I know I haven't been as present. I will keep posting, but it was to help to sort of understand what's going on in the background. But pigmentation is a key concern. So we want to use any of these ingredients to help downregulate the enzyme that's involved with production of melanin. But the most key and important thing is protect. Make sure that you're using a good SPF, mineral-based, throughout the summer, the hot months when the sun's shining. The prevent is obviously, like I said, with sunscreen as well, and then correct methodology is using any of these ingredients on the back of this slide. We'll talk more.